Otherwise,
Good afternoon.
afternoon is not good if you don't turn off your cameras. Turn on your cameras. Thank you, Gaurav.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Gaurav. Bhairavi, thank you. Everybody come on camera, please. Aditya, Prateek, Dharmit, Apurva, Anshika, thank you. Aditya, Saili, Jishan, Prarthana, where were you last time? Akriti, Shivam, Pranali, Alok, Apurva, and where is everybody else? Okay, any two people here in class जिनका peer interview नहीं हुआ है?
Ma'am, me.
Prarthana and anybody else? Peer interview pending है. Prabhamit, yours is done, no? Dharmit. Okay, come on camera, everybody. Huh? Alok, Anuj.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Anuj, आपका interview हो गया peer interview?
Yes, ma'am.
Gitansh, Amruta, come on camera. Alok. Because we are going to do a group activity today. But before that, if we can finish one pair, because how many people I have, we all have done this peer interview is 14 pairs, meaning 28 people only. There are almost another more than 30 people whose peer interview is pending. Anybody whose peer interview is still pending? We have Prarthana. Anybody else in class?
Yes, ma'am, Sakshi.
Sakshi. Okay. ठीक है. Sakshi, can you come on camera, please? Alok, Rajeev, Dhanashri, Gitansh, please turn on your camera. Pranali. Pranali B is here, right? Apurva, come on camera. Okay, so let's start with this one peer interview and then we move on to the group activity. Okay, so Prarthana, you will be the interviewee first. Okay, and Sakshi and I will be the interviewers and then the role reversal. Okay, Prarthana, tell me, Anshika, can you keep the time, please? 3 minutes.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay. Sakshi, you're there? Huh. So, Prarthana, have you worked anywhere earlier or have you done some internship at some organization?
So I have a 2-year work experience in conferences and event management, where I've been executing knowledge-based corporate events. So particularly in the aviation and pharmaceutical industry. So I was working with Stat Media, further to which I started working with Economic Times, wherein I was handling most of their master classes. And I also have some PR experience, wherein I was executing PR campaigns for Sony Pictures and Mumbai International Airport. So
Okay.
that involved a lot of groundwork, research work. So yeah.
So my question is about the one of the organizations that you have worked with. Tell me one thing that you liked about their culture and one thing that you would like to change.
Okay, so while I was working with UVM, there was a lot of disconnect between the Bombay team and the Delhi team. Since most of it was driven from Delhi, there was no one, from the Delhi team guiding us since we were all very new, me including the person I was reporting to. So I think there was a lack of communication over there. What I liked about Economic Times as a whole is they take care of their employees, because prior to me leaving the organization, they really wanted me to stay back, and they wanted to know how they could facilitate and provide whatever was required. But then it was just not working out for me. So they really do take care of their employees. So yeah, that is something which is very good about them.
They take care or they don't take care?
They do take care, yes.
Take care. Okay, and you said that there was communication gap.
Mm.
How would you, so you, that is, do you acknowledge that problem? How would you improve that if you were in a position where you can?
Okay, so if I were in the position wherein, I know for a fact that I have a new team which is in a different city, I would at least facilitate, a conference call between, since we are in the pandemic driven era right now, at least a conference call wherein, everyone gets together, get acquainted with each other. And, there is a new channel, perhaps a WhatsApp group or any such Microsoft Teams group, wherein you could update and know about each other, what's going on. That is something good that could have happened. And if there is a possibility, have one or two people from the team come to Delhi, get acquainted how they work, the working style, so that they implement the same when they go back home.
Okay, fair enough.
That is something
Sakshi,
that they could do.
okay, Sakshi, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so I will ask you why, Prathna, you left your previous job.
My previous also, I was doing corporate events, and after a certain point of time it really does get monotonous, and I was looking to change my career from sales to a field wherein I could be more creative, not just hitting targets. Driving business, that's one great aspect, but I wanted to be more on the creative part of it. So that is why the switch in career. So I thought doing an MBA would be a great way to achieve that.
Mom, time is over.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, Pratna, now the role reversal. So you ask the question first, then I will ask my question to Sakshi.
All right. So Sakshi, could you tell me about the last project that you undertook, and what did you do to make it a success? Like, what were your key contributions to it?
Okay, so I will tell you, like, so sorry. Like, I will tell you that I'm a fresher, so I haven't done any kind of projects or internships yet.
So is there something that you did extracurricular that you could tell me about? Within within whichever school.
During my college, I I was a club member there. I used to do some work and all. That's it. And my college went through the COVID phase, so I didn't explore much.
Okay. Could you tell me something about your what do you do in your spare time?
Sorry, can you pardon?
What do you do in your spare time? If you have some spare time on your hand, how do you utilize it? How do you use it?
I generally used to watch movies or hang out with my friends, or I cook sometimes. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Is there a particular, like what kind of cooking? Could you elaborate a little if you like cooking?
I generally used to, cook Chinese more and a little bit Indian also.
Okay. That sounds great. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Pratna. Okay, Sakshi, what is your area of interest in terms of job?
Sorry?
What is your area of interest in terms
My
of
area of interest, like I used to travel. I like,
Interest in terms of your job role.
in terms of job role, like I like to communicate more. I'm a fun loving person. I like to interact. I like to work in a group.
Okay. So, if yeah, like after completing MBA, if through placements effort, placement sales effort, you are offered a sales position in the beginning, will you be open to do it, or you would want to have a very creative job role only?
Ma'am, I am okay with everything. I can do the sales job also. Like if the company is great or they offer a good job description, then I can do
What are the benefits of what are the things that you learn through a sales job?
interaction, like reading a person's mind, like their taste, preferences. That's it.
Mom, time is also up.
Time is also up? Okay, fine. Okay, good job, both of you, Sakshi and Pratna.
Okay,
Any
ma'am.
inputs from audience?
Ma'am, one thing I would like to say about Pratna, that Pratna, when the interviewer asked that why you left your previous organization, uh, so she said very humbly, and she haven't said anything bad about the past organization. So that's the very important thing that interviewer noticed, that that the candidate is not saying anything bad about the past company.
Yeah, that's a very important point you made, Shivam, and good observation also. That कैसे भी note पे कैसे भी पहला organization से you must have parted ways with, but कभी भी किसी का बुराई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Definitely.
यस
They
मैम,
may have their own challenges.
बहुत लोग रहते हैं कि बोलते हैं कि मैनेजमेंट अच्छा नहीं था, ये अच्छा नहीं था, तो
That's a good point. Yes, Prarna, that was a good observation by Shivam. That yes, we don't talk about the organization क्योंकि negatives तो मिलने ही हैं. Okay, but फिर भी हमें वो नहीं बोलना है. हमारा वो tenure खत्म हुआ, and I had something else to pursue further. That is what you normally talk about. उस lines में आप बात करते हो. Okay, um, fine. Anything else, audience?
Ma'am, I really like the Parthona's interview part.
Sorry.
Hello?
Yes. Yes, Rajiv. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I really like the Parthona's interview part. How she handled this question
Yes.
is really appreciated.
Yes. Anything that you remember specifically that you liked?
Yes, what Shiva Mishra said, that point.
Okay.
Yes.
Anything else from audience? Matthew, where were you last time?
I was not well last week, ma'am.
Okay. Better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One thing that you remember from Sakshi's answers or Pratna's answers, other than that, what has already been discussed?
So Sakshi's interview, she had a little bit of a lack of experience. And when Pratna asked her a question regarding work experience, she was honest that she did not have work experience rather than picking it. And then she turned around that answer to an area of her interest. Since she doesn't have the experience in that area, she spoke about how she is interested in that particular area, in that particular field.
Okay.
So she tackled the question well, basically.
Okay. Anyone else? Any
and I would
different?
like to add to the Matthew's point that Sakshi has not directly denied that I don't have experience. She have given the answer in a very subtle manner.
Yeah, and like in college level, what you participated in, when you do internships and all, these are good things to talk about, because that is where you actually get exposed to a real workplace environment also, though it is not a full-time job, and you also practically work on it. And so even working in clubs and all is something that you can talk about if you are being asked at what kind of practical experience you have or exposure you have. Okay, fair enough. So how many people we have now? 39 people. Okay.
Ma'am, I just
Yes.
want to ask कि how we will give the answers like what is the area of interest वाला जो आपने पूछा था question.
हाँ, area of interest ना मैंने I didn't ask as an interviewer question. I wanted to know actually कि उसका job role में क्या interest है. As an अभी के लिए मैंने वो पूछा था. And then based on that I wanted to ask question about the job role. Area of interest as in I wanted to know whether you're interested into marketing, into sales, into creatives, into marketing communication, advertising, finance में तो banking, non-banking. That way I wanted to know that. So area of interest as such, an interviewer will not ask unless and until they have options. कि वो 3-4 चीजें लेके आए हैं. They have certain openings, 20 openings in this area, another in another area, 20 in another area. Then they can ask you this question. So वो क्या है आपने, you will definitely so one thing that I wanted to say is whenever you go for an interview, there is a very customized effort which is required for each interview, before each interview. एक generic approach नहीं हो सकता. So थोड़ा बहुत research about the company, the job role, the industry should always happen. Even if you have given interview for a similar job role just a few days back, फिर भी करो, हमेशा एक research करो. If you know somebody who already works in this company or in a similar position in some another company, talk to that person. What could be the day-to-day activities that you are doing? What is the job role? What are the growth prospects? What is the work culture? ऐसा पूछो अगर access मिलता है तो, because you will have that access. Because at IBS you will have a lot of your people from the earlier batches and all. जो basically organizations आते रहते हैं यहाँ पे, वहाँ पे placed होंगे. People will have contacts. So वो ध्यान रखो. So तो एक idea मिलेगा आपको कि क्या background है, किस type का organization, थोड़े उसका financial numbers and all देखो. So all those numbers अगर listed companies है तो उनका आपको मिलेगा Google पे, published होता वो data, वो भी आपके पास होना चाहिए. What are the businesses they are operating into? What is the size of their business? What is their share, market share? Are they the top 5 in the top 5 list? What kind of products they offer? What are the different news that have come in the recent times about this company? क्या नया करने वाले हैं? कौन से controversy में उलझ गए हैं? क्या नया product लेके आने वाले हैं? Competitor ने क्या किया है? HDFC है तो ICICI क्या कर रहा है? That kind of research थोड़ा करके जाओ हमेशा. An area of interest specifically अगर पूछा है तो होता है ना कभी-कभी अगर finance company है तो एक insurance में होगा उनका, दूसरा उनका operations में job role होगा, customer dealing में another होगा, customer facing, client facing. तो कभी-कभी 50-50 positions ये सब जगह में लेके आते हो. So that time they may ask you. So पहले से brief हमेशा पढ़ो जो आपको आता है placement cell से. What are the job roles that, what is the job JD? Description क्या है? कितना JDs है उधर? वो भी पढ़ो. कभी-कभी हम mail अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ते हैं. So read that email and do a little bit of research on that job position, job description. तो तब आ सकता है ये question, आकृति. If they come up with number of different areas, then they can ask you what is your area of interest. So you may choose to say I want a customer facing role, or you may say I want an operations based role based on your interest. Here when I asked it to Sakshi, I didn't ask as an interviewer. वो मैंने पहले मुझे वो जानना था कि what is her area, because I don't know ना आप लोग marketing finance किसका क्या preference है. Here my purpose was not that. Yes, Alok.
यस मैम, मेरा वो पीयर इंटरव्यू बाकी है एक्चुअली.
बाकी है. और किस कोई है जिसका बाकी है?
Mine also, ma'am.
Matthew? Okay. So आप दोनों का कर लेते हैं and then because I want to do a group exercise today, तो बाकी का फिर हम next sessions में ले लेंगे, ठीक है? Okay. So Matthew and
मैम
Alok.
डेंजर सवाल मत पूछना.
Too late, Alok.
कोई भी सवाल danger नहीं हो. Danger is what you said, right?
यस मैम.
वो danger हमेशा दिमाग में होता है. बाकी कोई सवाल danger लेके नहीं आता. You agree with me, right?
यस यस.
Okay, so Matthew, you will be the interviewee first. Nalok will be the interviewer with me. Okay. Matthew, मैं अभी एक question interview का नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. I just want to know what is your educational background, Matthew.
I'm a graduate, a BMS graduate,
B.
and after that, I have 1.5 years of work experience as in a digital marketing field.
Okay, fair enough. So, Matthew, you've been into the digital marketing space, right? So tell me a little bit about search engine optimization.
Okay. Search engine optimization has a lot to do with keywords. And when you are buying ad spaces, when you're buying Google ads, when you're buying Facebook ads, keywords is what matters the most. And the money that you spend is spent on keywords. So for example, we used to have categories of Google Chrome extensions that we used to market. And those particular categories were things like user manuals or photo editing tools. And all those were based on search criteria. And those were the main keywords. So certain keywords had very high value, which were searched thousands of times a day. And those were the more expensive keywords. And that is how we would drive traffic to our websites.
So what do you mean by expensive? Can you elaborate? Like expensive as in what am I spending to get what? What is the value I get when I spend on a particular keyword? Please with an example if you can explain.
Okay, I'll answer that question in particular to what we used to do. So approximately every campaign that was set up based on the keyword or based on whatever criteria that was set by the media buying people, those campaigns would spend say approximately $2,000 a day. And those $2,000 a day would in turn result in more than 2,000 downloads per person. And every person downloading those extensions would then indirectly give us revenue via Yahoo ads, because our company and Yahoo had a partnership, and that is how they would make the revenue. So we will be spending $2,000 today, but the $2,000 spent on 2,000, 3,000 odd users will continue to give revenue for the next few months or even years. So the revenue can even go into hundreds of thousands of dollars per user.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you. Alok, over to you.
Yes ma'am.
One question for Matthew.
Can you explain what about digital, ma'am, what you said, search engine
Optimization.
Yeah, so Matthew, can you explain more about search engine optimization, because I didn't understand.
Okay, so let's take it with an example. For example, let's say you have a photo editing website that you have created and you want to market that photo editing website. You want people to come on that website and use your website. And let's say you have advertising spaces on that website. You have put ads in those spaces, and through that you will get revenue.
Okay.
So you
Okay.
want more and more number of people to come to your website. So when somebody types photo editing tool or crop picture in Google search, you want your link to show up the highest. And when
Okay,
you search on
in the
Google,
first,
in the
first-
first, second, so the top 3 positions are like the most expensive positions. So
okay,
if you have a Google Ads campaign, the more you pay, the higher your ad will appear. So if you pay for photo editing tool, which is one of the highest
Time is up.
sought after keywords, you will get your website come on the very first link or the second link, which is an ad space. It shows ad over there just before
yes,
the link.
yes, yes.
So that is how SEO works. So basically you're paying for keyword optimization.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Matthew.
Okay. Well,
I hope that answered your question well.
Yes, yes.
okay. Matthew, now you ask one question to Alok, and next question I will ask.
Okay. Alok, I have one very abstract question for you. My question is today, if you won 1,000 crores in the lottery, what would you do with that money?
Okay. So firstly, I will buy a land, which is my father's dream. So he want to basically have a land and a home at there. So I will buy a proper land where he can build his house from that money. Then then I will invest some of that money in stock market. Obviously, which is, and another thing is I will donate some money to NGO and stuff like that. And after that, if there is money, obviously there will be. I will buy a house because I live far much from Mumbai, so I will prefer to shift to at least to Thane or Mulund, which is near to Mumbai. So yeah.
Okay.
Okay. That was my question. Now.
Okay.
So I'll explain why. Do you want me to explain why I asked that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I
let's do the questions first, Matthew, and वो खत्म करके because
okay.
time counter चल रहा है ना?
Okay.
Okay. So Alok,
Yes, ma'am.
my question would be: you said that you will buy land, which is your father's dream, and then buy a house for yourself, and donate some money and all.
Yes.
So tell me, what is that you will do for yourself specifically? Why would you like that for yourself if you had that kind of money?
For myself only, I will buy. No, first of all, I will learn about the photography, advanced photography techniques and all, and I will purchase all the uh, material which is required for for example, wildlife photography. It is much more expensive. The lens are almost for 2 lakhs to.
Okay, why do you like photography, and what is it that photography gives you? Why do you love it?
Actually, I just love that. I am doing photography for almost 3 to 4 years. I love taking pictures, not mine, other pictures. So most of the time, if suppose I'm in a program, family function, many of my family members say, "Alok, just हमारा एक photo ले ले, please." So this is just small example, but also I love to take a wildlife photos. I didn't take that much, but I want to. So for that, you should have proper gadgets, telephoto lens.
Feel
Ma'am,
after-
time is up.
Okay. What do you feel after taking? What is it that this thing gives you when you do the photography? You said
No,
that you,
it makes me happy, ma'am. So I like it. I like wildlife much more than anything, in terms of photography only. So I just like it. It makes me happy, but that's it, ma'am.
okay, fair enough. Good job, both of you, Alok and Matthew.
Thank
Yes,
you, ma'am.
yes, Matthew, if you can explain that, why did you ask that question? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. So I'm very humbled by Alok's answer because with 1,000 crore rupees, anybody would want to do anything in the world. But his answer was very different. He said that he will buy land for his father to fulfill his father's dreams. He will donate money. He will invest money. The answers are very humble. For example, he could have said, I'll quit my job today, I'll move to another country and I'll live the most luxurious lifestyle. And he said that he would buy a house in Mumbai in like Mulund or Thane area. With 1,000 crores, you can buy the best hill, the best house in Malabar Hill also and have thousands of crores left over.
नहीं, लेकिन बहुत crowded रहता है मुंबई, बहुत ज्यादा. वो भी है ना.
So that way, like I got to know how his thinking is.
Yeah, exactly. Very rightly explained.
Ma'am,
और
because
genuinely बहुत innocently उसने answer दिया था,
Yeah.
नहीं, क्योंकि मतलब डैड जो मतलब मैं देख रहा हूँ वो बहुत सालों से उनका मतलब चालू है कि छोटा सा लैंड तो होना चाहिए एटलीस्ट, नॉट बिग, एंड देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स लीगल थिंग्स इन दैट. या सो एंड और वो बोलते हैं ना कि नसीब में होगा तो उनका थोड़ा वो है कि he don't have that kind of luck in his life, so I want to do that if it is possible.
Very good. That first thing that came to your mind was that shows also a lot about you. And as rightly pointed out by Matthew, ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं आप कितना क्या लेवल पे आप सोचते हो ना, like,
Yes ma'am.
कितना शार्प, कितना आप तेज आंसर दे पाते हो, कितना जेन्युइन आंसर दे पाते हो, वो उसमें मेजर होता है. या डिपेंड्स ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर, वो किस टाइप का इंसान ढूंढ रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी स्पेसिफिक थिंग. देयर इज नो जेनरिक थिंग कि सब इंटरव्यूज को यही आंसर पसंद आएगा. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द आस्कर कि भाई मुझे क्या चाहिए. Right. But your answer was very genuine, very nicely put, and I love the way
Thank you ma'am.
like for my father I'll do this. That was the first thing. It came out from pure emotion. Yeah. Okay. I love the way Matthew explained SEO also. In fact, Matthew, and Alok, I like the way again आपने वो पूछा question, because exactly जो main था ना Matthew, आपने वो business बताया. और जो main था वो basic for somebody who doesn't know SEO is that what you had to say कि भाई when you pay for a keyword, you ensure that Google brings out your website on the first page or top 3 or all that. That idea should come first when you talk about SEO. Then you build up on the numbers and you explained it well. Aapka explanation was very good. Okay.
Thank you ma'am.
Fine then. I think we have done 2 pairs ka peer interviews and we'll continue this. We have 30 kitna ho gaya abhi? 16 pairs, meaning 32 people have already done it. We'll continue doing this in the coming classes also. But one area where I wanted to kind of do an exercise was that when we participate in GDs and debates and we answer questions and all, I would want that you all come up with more rich content. Something like, as I said, that when you talk about GDP, so world का GDP क्या है, वो एक नंबर आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए. That भाई it's around 80, between 80 and 90 or 80 to 85 trillion dollar world का economy GDP है. उसमें इतना percentage इतना US का है, China का है, India का है. That is one of the things. Something like this is what, when you use it in a GD or in a debate and all, adds a lot of value and power to your argument. Can helps you to direct the discussion also in a very effective way. So उसके लिए मैंने आपको एक exercise दिया था, daily basis पे कुछ ना कुछ पढ़ो and all that, remember, where we focus on reading and exposing ourselves to a lot of things and also polishing on our delivery. Video banana is pure delivery, and delivery wise you all do very good. Let me tell you that when you speak, when you deliver, when you argue, that way I think we have done lot of polishing has happened on that front, delivery part. But delivery को strong बनाने के लिए एक और important चीज है, वो है content. What is the content you speak? What are the logical points you bring about? Something like जो open book exam हमने discuss किया last बार. So I am not saying that it happened in only in this class, but open book examination का understanding ही हमने अलग लिया because of the situation we are in. I want ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. हमारे पास strong enough general knowledge very strong होना चाहिए. And इसी के लिए मैंने आपको practice kit का exercise दिया है. I am not forced upon you. I'm not forced that upon you because you have been really struggling with a lot of things और आपका time management becomes very difficult in MBA, which is true. I agree. इसलिए मैंने उसको force नहीं बनाया है. But that is something that should happen very regularly. That is the way you polish your knowledge and you kind of come up with more rich content, because if that happens on daily basis, then only it can happen. Otherwise it will not happen. जो मेरा limited understanding है, जो मैं दुनिया को जानता हूँ, जो मैं थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर से पढ़ लेता हूँ, जो मैंने कुछ सेशंस में सुन लिया, वो उतना ही अपना ही लिमिट का वो आपको नॉलेज देगा. But what you do at your own level every day is very important. एंड रिमेम्बर इतना सारा लोग इंटरव्यूज देगा, जीडीज में पार्टिसिपेट करेगा, आईबीएस इटसेल्फ में इतना सारा लोगों के बीच में कंपटीशन है. वन वे टू डिफरेंशिएट योरसेल्फ इज डिलीवरी. तो सब लोग ही अच्छा करेगा, बहुत सारा लोगों का डिलीवरी अच्छा होगा, बट कंटेंट is something which can be a big differentiator. Okay, when somebody something like एक टॉपिक जब यूएस के इलेक्शन हुए थे, तो एक टॉपिक आता था कि we Indians are taking unnecessary interest in the US elections. जो कुछ है जो unnecessary, बहुत सारे मीम्स और उसमें हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे, वो unnecessary था. But the very first point that you would make it, is it really unnecessary? No, it is an economy which is contributing to almost what, how many percent? Around $21 trillion उनका है, 19 से $21 trillion उनका contribution है into $80 trillion का world economy में, which is almost 1/4 of the world economy. तो एक country है जो 1/4 दुनिया का GDP contribute करता है, उधर के elections में हम interest ले, ये unnecessary कैसे हो सकता है? It's a superpower, and economy wise it contributes so much. So my first point would be that with that number, I won't say exact what is the total GDP of the world, but I know it is around $80-90 trillion के बीच में, so I will say approximate, and I will start with that, and I'll say 25%. Yes, Gaurav? I would say 25% of this almost $80 trillion ka economy is contributed by the US. Now, when I make this point, what will happen to all other people? First of all, I am settling my apna position bana rahi hu yahan pe. And people will be scared to make further point now. Right? So that kind of stuff is what I want you to, develop. I mean, have an knowledge ऐसी रखो कि ऐसी चीजें आप बोल सको. हिस्ट्री से लेके, वर्ल्ड न्यूज से होके, बिजनेस से है होके, टेक्नोलॉजी से लेके, जहां से डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ, तो वो कनेक्ट होता है. lot of things, if you know, then you know how to connect. If you read about it consistently, कोई particular टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में आप पढ़ रहे हो, तो आपने एक वीडियो देखा, एक आर्टिकल पढ़ा, फिर कल एक और आर्टिकल पढ़ा, तो एक आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनती है, जिसके बेस पे you can connect it to certain topics. Okay, so just give a kind of a boost to that. Today we are doing a quick exercise group wise, जहाँ पे हम थोड़ा general knowledge polishing करेंगे. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm going to divide you into groups, and I'm giving you topics to research and make a PPT, quick PPT. It can be 1 slide, 2 slides, आपके ऊपर है, but मुझे content बहुत PPT पे नहीं चाहिए. More है कि आप बोलो, पर हाँ कुछ structure होना चाहिए, बिना structure के सिर्फ बोलो मत. So I'm saying I'm giving you topics, and how many students are there in class? 36.
I'm 36.
So there are 7 topics here, and hear me out properly. Everybody come on camera, please. Don't go off camera. अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो. You need to research on these topics, but you need to very clearly give the sources on your PPT. So the sources have to be reliable and genuine, and you should be able to explain why you selected that source. Wikipedia reliable source है कि नहीं है?
Yes, ma'am.
Wikipedia.
मैम नहीं, वो
Wikipedia बहुत
एडिट,
बड़ा है
वहाँ
ना।
पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो एडिटेबल है.
वो एडिटेबल है. Wikipedia is not
Yes.
a reliable source. It can be a starting point आपको कि यहाँ क्या टॉपिक इसके कनेक्टेड है वो ढूंढने के लिए. बट Wikipedia एडिटेबल है. वो कोई भी एडिट कर सकता है, कोई भी नहीं, but there are few people, I mean there are people who can, but editable है वो. लोगों ने हिस्ट्री चेंज किया है Wikipedia में जाके. Wikipedia is not a source that you can use as a reliable source. Wikipedia can give you leads. Okay, so Wikipedia नहीं, it should be, it has to be certain genuine sources. So आप यहाँ पे explain करो why you have selected a particular source. Blogs और जो होता है ना जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कुछ किसी ने ब्लॉग लिख दिया है या किसी ने कुछ आर्टिकल लिखा है, वो नहीं. It has to be genuine sources, and you all have to become reporters for this exercise. So you're reporters. You are not judging things by your opinion. जो आपको मिला है sources से, उसको आप report कर रहे हो. That's it. Genuine sources से. You have to become reporters. You will not bring in your opinions here. Okay, so when I say first one, 5 big states of India, you can decide कौन से 5 big states. I'm not saying the top big or biggest only. तो कोई भी 5 है वो ले लो आप इंडिया के. और कौन से इंडस्ट्रीज वहाँ पे फ्लरिश होती है, कौन सी इंडस्ट्रीज ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रही है, कौन सी इंडस्ट्रीज आगे जाके बढ़ने वाली है. ऐसे कुछ न्यूज मिले आपको आज तक, इतना कंट्रीब्यूशन, इतना परसेंटेज, इतना एम्प्लॉयमेंट ये इंडस्ट्री देता है, जीडीपी को इतना कंट्रीब्यूट ये इंडस्ट्री देता है, ये स्टेट से. ये आपको ढूंढना है फर्स्ट ग्रुप 1 को. ग्रुप 2 में आई हैव फॉरगॉटन टू राइट वर्ल्ड देयर, पर ये वर्ल्ड इवेंट्स है. और ये जहां मैंने टाइम का लिमिट नहीं दिया है, इट कैन बी लाइक स्प्रेड अक्रॉस couple of centuries also. Ideally I would want कि ये जो number 2 है उसमें World War I and World War II दोनों आए. Political events.
Ma'am, Great Depression will also come.
थर्ड वाले में आएगा, उधर मत लो. सेकेंड वाले में, थर्ड वाला जो है प्योरली मैंने इकोनॉमिकल बोला है, उसमें ग्रेट डिप्रेशन चाहिए ही चाहिए. ग्रेट डिप्रेशन चाहिए, उसमें 2008 का डिप्रेशन चाहिए, 1930s का ग्रेट डिप्रेशन. और
सेकंड में पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री में assassination of Rajiv Gandhi can also come on. Abraham Lincoln too, actually, to the certain extent.
It can come. Kennedy भी आ सकता है assassination. पर फिर एक आधा अगर assassination ले लेते हो किसी मेन लीडर का, तो फिर एक ही इवेंट, सारे इवेंट्स वो मत बना दो. एंड World War I and World War II ये दोनों तो आने ही चाहिए. तो थोड़ा सा एक बैकग्राउंड आना चाहिए कि World War I और World War II हुआ क्यों, कौन मेजर कंट्रीज थे जिन्होंने स्टार्ट किया, और फिर कैसे दूसरी कंट्रीज इकट्ठी आ गई वहां पे.
अब्राहम लिंकन का एक्चुअली मोर सुटेबल होगा क्योंकि उसके वजह से सिविल वॉर यूएसए में हुआ.
Correct. You can take up Abraham Lincoln. You can take up any other assassinations in the world also. But फिर assassination लेना है तो एक ही लो, दूसरा फिर नहीं होना चाहिए. 5 में से 3 assassination नहीं होना चाहिए. और नंबर 3 जो है उसमें ग्रेट डिप्रेशन और 2008 रिसेशन आना चाहिए. उसके अलावा आप ले सकते हो, टू डिस्कस करो, लिबरलाइजेशन ले सकते हो इंडिया का, वो भी आ सकता है. नंबर 4 इज टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशंस इन द लास्ट 25 years. यहाँ मैंने आपको लिमिट किया है टाइम से, तो लास्ट 25 साल में से टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेशंस इन डिफरेंट वॉक्स ऑफ लाइफ.
मैम इसमें गीगा फाइबर आ सकता है,
फाइबर आ सकता है,
फाइबर टेक्नोलॉजी ये सब आ सकते हैं.
5G आ सकता है, उसके ऊपर भी कुछ चल रहा है तो वो भी आ सकता है. हाँ, 4 में टेक्नोलॉजिकल आना है. 5 में लास्ट 3 months में क्या न्यूज है मेन, समथिंग जो एक आधा इंडिया का भी हो सकता है, ये भाई अमेजोन का और ये रिलायंस और फ्यूचर ग्रुप का कुछ स्टोरी चल रहा है अभी तो।
इंडिया ने अभी मोस्टली दिसंबर के मंथ में 40 बिलियन का एक्सपोर्ट किया है, हाईएस्ट इन टिल नाउ इन द हिस्ट्री।
ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है, बट अलोंग विद इंडिया ये 5 जो आप सिलेक्ट करते हो ना, उसमें वर्ल्ड का भी आना चाहिए। नंबर 6 इज लास्ट डेकेड में, पिछले 10 साल में कौन से 5 इन्फ्लुएंशियल है जो आपको लगते हैं दे हैव इन्फ्लुएंस्ड पीपल, ओके, और क्यों, और कौन से एरिया में उन्होंने किया?
मैम इन्फ्लुएंस इन द करेक्ट वे और द रॉन्ग वे टू?
कोई भी, इट कुड बी व्हाट दे, उनको इन्होंने इन्फ्लुएंस कर पाए, उन्होंने जो बोला लोगों ने माना।
ओके, तो मैम डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प भी आएगा और ओबामा भी आएंगे।
जी, तो दोनों आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे। नंबर 7 है सोशल रिफॉर्म्स, क्या हुए हैं दुनिया में 25 साल में वर्ल्ड लेवल पे, ये भी, इसमें इंडिया का भी हो सकता है, पर पूरा ही इंडिया मत कर लो, देयर कुड बी आउटसाइड इंडिया आल्सो। ठीक है, इज दिस क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? क्या करना है?
मैम आज पीपीटी बनाना है।
पीपीटी बनाना है।
मैम सोशल रिफॉर्म्स में लिबरलाइजेशन ऑफ लेबर्स का भी आएगा कि या फिर डिफरेंट?
लेबरर्स का लिबरलाइजेशन एज इन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय
मैम
लिबरलाइजेशन?
यूके में मिड 80s में हुआ था ना, लेबर का वेलफेयर के लिए लिबरलाइजेशन हुआ था, बहुत सारे न्यू चेंजेस आए थे।
तो लेबर लॉज को चेंज करना डाल सकते
हम मोस्ट टू द सर्टेन एक्सटेंट मैम
डाल सकते हो उसमें। सोशल में जैसे जो सर्टेन आर्टिकल जो सोशल स्टिग्मा के वहाँ था, अपना लीगल आर्टिकल था, उसको अबॉलिश किया या चेंज किया। इंटरफेथ मैरिजेस या इंटररेशियल मैरिजेस जो हुए हैं, अगर वो ज्यादा एक्सेप्टेंस हुआ है।
मैम ट्रिपल तलाक का ले सकते हैं क्या सोशल रिफॉर्म्स में?
Yes, that you can take. Black Lives Matter movement, वो ले सकते हैं। Okay, something like that. Social. It could be as simple as joint family, nuclear family का जो ट्रेंड है वो चेंज हुआ है, वो भी हो सकता है। Buying habits लोगों की, spending habits, वो भी social है। How as a group people behave, उनका behavior कैसे change हो रहा है, वो reform हो रहा है।
मैम बिहेवियर्स टुवर्ड्स टेक्नोलॉजी भी कर सकते हैं ना कि
सुधांशु अनम्यूट।
प्रीवियसली 90s या फिर 80s में लोग उतना एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते थे टेक्नोलॉजी की कंपेयर टू टुडे।
मोर रिसेप्टिव, उसके वजह से सोशल, हमारे मीटिंग्स गैदरिंग्स कैसे अफेक्ट हुआ है, हमारा सोशल लाइफ कैसे अफेक्ट हुआ है टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से, वो भी है। खाना पीना कैसे अफेक्ट हुआ है, सब आ सकता है। ठीक है, ओके, एवरीबॉडी क्लियर ऑन दिस 7 टॉपिक्स? और रिसर्च करो, और सोर्स कोई भी साइट पे पहले ही गूगल किया, किसी ने एसईओ, अभी हमने मैथ्यू ने समझाया है, किसी ने एसईओ लगा के ऐड डाल के पहला उधर लगा दिया है, तो अपने उसी को नहीं क्लिक करना है, अपने को थोड़ा बराबर से देखना है कौन सा जेन्युइन है। जो वर्ल्ड फेमस रिपोर्टिंग साइट्स होती है वो जाओ, डेटा चाहिए तो IMF, वर्ल्ड बैंक, यूनेस्को, उनके साइट्स पे जाओ। इन्वेस्टोपीडिया इज अ गुड साइट, BBC है, रॉयटर्स है, these are reliable sources. Okay, so reliable sources अपन को जानना है।
सिर्फ आर्टिकल्स होना चाहिए या फिर वीडियो भी चलेगा? एक्चुअली
वीडियो भी चलेगा, बट जेन्युइन उसका आप ये समझा पाने चाहिए कि ये आपका, आप क्यों उसको रिलायबल समझते हो।
क्योंकि मैम ब्लूमबर्ग क्विक टेक करके एक है एक्चुअली यूट्यूब पे, वो मोस्टली बहुत रिलायबल है।
ठीक है, वो भी कर सकते हो। समथिंग लाइक ब्रिटानिका, ओके, हाउ स्टफ वर्क्स करके एक होता था साइट, आई डोंट नो वो भी है कि नहीं। वो सारी चीजें बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया। ब्रिटानिका इज काइंड ऑफ जो बुक पब्लिश होता है ना, वैसा साइट है पूरा जनरल नॉलेज का। ठीक है ना? सो जो भी आप डिस्कस करो ग्रुप में, यू विल कम अप विद सर्टेन थिंग्स। कई किसी को पता होगा ये साइट यूज करते हैं इधर, तो थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करो। कुछ डाउट है तो कॉल मी, आई विल कम एंड एड्रेस इट इन द ग्रुप्स आल्सो। आई एम गिविंग यू 15 मिनट जिसमें पीपीटी बनना चाहिए। अभी आप ऐसा डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि एक ही स्लाइड पे 5 5 लिख दिया और लिंक दे दिया और कुछ नहीं करो चलेगा, बिकॉज यू स्पीक इज व्हाट मैटर्स. बट आई टेंड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन पीपल रीड फ्रॉम समवेयर. मेरे को समझ में आ जाता है, मैं बोलती नहीं हूँ हमेशा स्पेसिफिकली जब कोई करता है, बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट द वेरी राइट वे टू एनकरेज पीपल टू स्पीक. पर ये मेरे को समझ में आता है कि हम लोग में से काफी सारे लोग ये टिपिकल वर्चुअल फॉर्मेट में जब प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं से पढ़ते हैं वर्ड फॉर वर्ड. वो मत करो प्लीज. मैं बोलूंगी नहीं यहाँ पे, आई विल नॉट सिंगल आउट एनीबडी, बट आई विल नो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड और दैट विल हर्ट मी, बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग विच डजंट हेल्प. ये आपको प्रेजेंटर अच्छा कभी नहीं बनाएगा अगर आप कहीं से आप उसको प्रॉम्प्टर पे से या किसी बुक किसी साइट पे से पढ़ते हो. तो जो भी सोर्स है वो सोर्स का कोई भी एक सोर्स को आपको बताना नहीं है कि भाई ये इसने बोला इधर लिखा है और हम उधर से ही पढ़ ले. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आपने वो पढ़ा है, सुना है और आपने जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनाई है वो आप समझाओ. तो मैं ना हिंदी में पूछूंगी आपको समझाने को. आप समझे, मैं ब्लूम्स लेवल पे पहुंच जाऊंगी अभी. वो जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्या था, और किसी को याद है 6 लेवल्स ऑफ ब्लूम? मैथ्यू, धर्मित, साक्षी, प्रतीक, सब कैमरा पे से मत चले जाओ. किसी को याद है लेवल 6 लेवल्स ऑफ ब्लूम? प्रार्थना किधर हो? प्रणाली, साक्षी था ना. रिमेम्बर, अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एप्लीकेशन. गौरव भूल गए?
मैं भूल गया. ऑनेस्ट कॉन्फेशन मैम.
रिमेम्बर लेवल, मेमोरी लेवल पे हम पढ़ते कुछ, फिर हम समझने के लेवल पे पढ़ते तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग, और उसके ऊपर एप्लीकेशन जहां हम लर्निंग को अप्लाई करते हैं. ओपन बुक में भी हमने याद किया था ये.
मैम IBR भी सब कुछ याद है, ये वाला मैं भूल गया.
सो
हम एक एनालाइज भी था ना शायद से.
हाँ, एनालाइज था
एक एनालाइज भी था.
एनालाइज, उसके ऊपर सिंथेसाइज और उसके ऊपर क्रिएट और इवैल्यूएट. 6 लेवल. ऊपर के तो पीएचडी के लेवल है, चलो भूल जाओ. नीचे के लेवल तो हमारे लेवल का अंडरस्टैंडिंग के है, बेसिक जो हम शुरू में स्टडी करते हैं, है ना. तो हमने को एप्लीकेशन और अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल पे करना है. तो आप पढ़ते हो ना कहीं साइट से, आप ब्लूमबर्ग से पढ़ते हो या आप बीबीसी से पढ़ते हो, अभी आप वहां से वहां वर्ड फॉर वर्ड नहीं पढ़ोगे. आप अपने लैंग्वेज में इंग्लिश में समझाओ, या मैं बोलूंगी मुझे ये हिंदी में समझाओ. फिर वहां से पढ़ना नहीं लगेगा आपको, हिंदी में मुझे समझाना पड़ेगा कि कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है.
मैम पीपीटी में क्या साइटेशन देना जरूरी है?
हाँ, पीपीटी में वो लिंक दिखनी चाहिए मुझे. पीपीटी में वो दिखना चाहिए कौन सा सोर्स है इसका, वो साइट्स चाहिए सामने.
ओके मैम, अंडरस्टूड.
अराउंड 10 minutes you will get maximum each group. और ऑडियंस का काम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है प्रेजेंटेशन में, पर वो मैं समझाऊंगी आफ्टर आप लोग प्रिपेयर कर लो. फिर हम
मैम 10 minutes फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग द स्लाइड्स?
नहीं, 15 minutes for preparing the slide, 15 to 20
okay.
for preparing the slide. 10 minutes is a presentation. जब आप डिस्कस करोगे ना, उसका मैक्सिमम 10 minutes है. प्रेजेंटेशन जब होगा तो 10 minutes से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए पूरे ग्रुप का. ठीक है
मैम? ग्रुप का?
हाँ, वो मैं बना रही हूँ अभी.
ओके ओके.
So okay, I've opened the rooms. Call me if you need any help, and when I'll come, just मैं check करना आऊंगी, सब लोग का कैमरा ऑन होना चाहिए. प्रार्थना, राजीव कहाँ हो? विधि, निमित, विधि, प्रार्थना.
Hello, ma'am. Hello,
Yes,
ma'am. Can you give us the screen sharing rights, please?
I will give it. I have already allowed, okay? You'll be able to go back, or should I put you in any room again? सुशांत, वीरेंद्र, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can
मैं
you
अभी
please?
सेशन एंड करती हूँ. हाँ, मैं एंड
Oh.
करती हूँ, फिर 5 मिनट्स में वापस स्टार्ट करेंगे.
Okay, ma'am. चलेगा.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके, बाय.